This is before the actual meeting. So I will see on the top, and the same thing here. When you create a meeting, you have to create a meeting, book a meeting, so you will see all the alternatives that you can choose between before the meeting. So I see here meetings whiteboard. So I click on it. And what is a whiteboard, meeting whiteboard? It's the same thing when you went to class and you have a whiteboard on the front besides the teacher, and the teacher just writes some text or notes, and if you worked at groups you can write on the whiteboard. This is the same thing but digital, so you can have this whiteboard in a meeting live and just write some notes and write and work together in that live. So before a meeting, I want to prepare a whiteboard. Like you see here I can choose if I want to write some text, notes, put some reaction, insert image, templates. If you have a touch screen, you can choose a pen and just write with your finger if you want, or my favorite pen is the laser pen. And if you have a presentation live on Teams, you can use the laser pen and explain what they are seeing. If you don't have, I take this and erase this. If you don't have any idea how to start, Microsoft Teams digital whiteboard have templates that you can choose between, and I will show you brainstorming and this one. And then I click on the screen here, and I will insert it on the whiteboard. And here I can start to prepare. And that's all you can do. You can do more things. You can add and everything. I'm done here, and I'm ready to show this live on this meeting. So this is how you do before you go into the actual meeting. So if I go back to our meeting, I will show you how to show it live. Let's say that I have already prepared it, and now I want to show it on this live meeting. So how do I do it? I have to stop sharing first. And then I click on the share button again, and I will see Microsoft Whiteboard option here. So if I click on it, everyone in the meeting will see my Microsoft Whiteboard, and then they can start. Here I will choose my prepare. Now I see my digital whiteboard. So everyone, I see that Natalie and Paula are in the same digital whiteboard, and they can start to create some things if they want to. And when the meeting is ended, where do you find this whiteboard? Well, if I leave the meeting, I will not do it because we are recording this, but we said that we have ended the meeting. Where do I find all of this? I go to chat, my private chat, and go to the latest meeting that I had. And I will find everything that you had adding on this meeting. It means chat conversation, files, and the breakout rooms you will see, and you will see also the digital whiteboard, the meeting whiteboard. Let's see, sometimes it's difficult to find this when you had a lot of meetings, so you have to scroll down. So if you want to keep this like a picture and save it, you click on the settings here, settings menu, and you can export the image. And here you can choose a size, which size, and I recommend good for email if you want to send it like a picture in an email. And when I click export, you will find it in the download folder in your file explorer, and then afterwards you can choose where you want to insert in. So that was everything about meeting whiteboard. So how do you prepare a digital whiteboard in Teams before a meeting? I will show you.